Hey guys, Brandon from Illusions Mobile Auto Spar with yet another video. And today's topic is going to be your perforated seats. How do you claim situations like this when you have somebody that maybe spills, maybe coffee, ice cream, something of that sort, and it actually stays there for weeks, months on end, and you just never get to it where it locks in? Okay, so now we have that situation. We get phone calls where people want to sound like Sylvester Stallone. I don't know what I'm gonna do. My daughter spilled. You know, they try everything under the sun, such as vacuuming. They try to steam it, which I no longer recommend. But there is a very easy technique, and all you need is 3 things, which is going to be a nice soft microfiber towel. You're going to need yourself a medium bristle toothbrush. And this is not actually the one that you put in your mouth, by the way, so just want to clear that up. And lastly, you're going to need some leather cleaner, such as P&S Xpress interior cleaner, which is effective and safe on leather. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a small area here. So let me choose. I'm going to take this one over here. I'll take number 3. So you want to do is you want to just go ahead, lightly spray your area here. I want to go ahead and wipe that area up and just kind of like massage that foam into the perforated holes, because what I want to do here, guys, I want to loosen up whatever is in that perforations. Okay, so just to make sure that I'm not trying to fool you guys or anything, the stuff is still in there. Okay, so I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bristle brush, I'm going to put this at an angle, and I'm going to do little sections at a time. And as you put this brush on an angle, you kind of like see that these things just pop right out. Okay, repeat the process. Massage that in. And we're going to get back to work. Again, keep that brush at an angle. I mean, you could go all types of ways. You could do it up, you could do it down. All angles are effective. Now, if you're a detailer with a business, it's always good to communicate with your client and let them understand that this is never going to be 100%, meaning like not everything is going to be cleared out of each perforation. Otherwise, you'll be here all day, and it's just not realistic. Okay. The goal here is to have a dramatic improvement where it doesn't look like that. Okay, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that. And as you can see, guys, that's coming out real good. To go from this, you know, I'm just gonna take it down here a little bit. And let's go. keep reminding myself, guys, why it's very difficult to make videos when I'm working, because like it'll just be so peaceful out here by myself, not a soul in sight. Then comes the landscapers, then comes the trucks, then comes the garbage trucks, and everybody wants to be a part of the video. Okay, that's about it. So we have about, I'd say, a 90% improvement. This is your before, and again, pretty much your after. I mean, you still got some areas right here, not a big deal. Like I said, if you want to continue to repeat the process, that's on you. But this is just a video to show you how simple and easy it is to turn this whole seat around from having a disaster happening or you spilling something of whatever it is. So guys, again, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, give us a call at 201-345-9120. Winter is coming, so it's about time to schedule your appointments to protect that paint, and we'll see you soon. Take care.